Howdy gamers, welcome to I of Stromakov. But you're probably wondering, hey Roman, nice. Well, finally, I can finally see this game. And you're probably wondering, and also, you know how I did it? It's because I'm using the window mode. So yeah, and also I keep my games in epic folders because I want to keep my screen epically clean as possible. Don't have to look at the complete mess because I sometimes like folders. I only put in the very, very important stuff on the main screen, like Chrome. So yeah, gamer moment. Now let's go game. And also, you probably recognize this for the 2 shorts I posted. Rest in peace, Tommy. He was a good man. He died a horrible death. Not the Tommy in it. Just kidding, Tommy. Another version of Tommy. This Tommy, the other Tommy is a 17-year-old British man who is kind of annoying, not gonna lie. Just kidding, cancel me now. Okay. And also, this Tommy's an American soundbar. Damn! So yeah, now let's go back to the mission of basically dropping bombs at innocent Japanese people. Because it's World War II. And also, there's like a bunch of, where are they? There's also a bunch of, what's their name? CBDs. aka the dive bombers the Americans use. Yeah. I turned them into this so they can bomb these, but they're really not made for that. And also there's two squadrons of B-29s and just like 2 squadrons of Japanese Zeros. I'll update that to like 4 because I like more of a challenge. We're gonna bomb the living suffering out of this place. So as you can see, one of my friends, and also this is gonna be very, very hard for us to actually not get our plane hit. Because due to the part that there's so much, hey yo, we're not fine. Okay, I was saying, that was funny for me. Because I was just saying, hey, we're not getting hit. I just got hit a lot. There's now 2 holes on my right wing. And now my now that thing is off my plane. Hey, yo, it's kind of not useful. So Tommy's dead. Tommy's just dead. You know what that means? My only defense against the Japanese Zeros is now destroyed. Either it was killed by one of the bullets, or either flak. I heavily bet the bullets. And also, I'm still surprised this plane's flying since I play Sky and Fire. Meaning, in that game you destroy one of the wings, your plane's uncontrollable as heck. Except for the flaps. The flaps are useless in that game. Okay, the flaps are not useless in this game. Instead, oh god, I forgot to drop the bombs! The bombs are not dropping! The player is killed! Oh dear god! Okay, that's not good. Okay. I forgot the player can die. Well, that's poggers. Let's refly this and not, die a horrible death. You're probably wondering, like some of you are probably wondering, then why not just go really low then, Roman? I want a challenge. I want to entertain you, you demon creatures. I want to entertain you, demon creatures, okay? Because a lot of you people want to see my plane crash, okay? Some of you were that's why, okay? Okay. Now let's not try to have that's better than our, that's better than our gunner, Tommy, dead. Right, Tommy? Remember Tommy from that tank game video? Yeah, we all know him. Tommy, mate. Tommy. Oi, Tommy. Why am I saying Tommy in a British accent? Oh, dear God. Oh dear. There's a massive hole on my left wing. That's not good. You know what? Again, it's better than Tommy dead. It's like that one video in tank. It's like, oh Tommy. Hey, yo, Rich. Hey. Yeah, you probably know it. I don't know why am I saying it that way. I don't know anymore. I'm still surprised they... Okay, I'm pretty sure Tommy's gonna be dead in the next few seconds. Oh, now I know! Now I know why Tom... Oh, there we go. And also, Tommy's shooting at something, which is not good. Oh. Oh, no. I dropped my bombs, and also we're now... Hey, yo, these guys. Okay, let's just slow down time and, just examine this situation and examine our men. We're just gonna try. Okay, this is not good. This is not the good thing. My guy, okay, there's no chance of us surviving this. Come on, I think we can survive this if we, pull off. Get up, come on! Come on, you can do this! Yes, we're doing this! I think it's just gonna make the dead even more cooler. Not actually. Good thing I turned off realistic physics. Now we're just gonna crash and bounce off. Am I right, gamers? Boink! It's funny for me, okay? It's just funny, okay? My dude be flying, though. Be flying! Yeah, baby! We're not flying. We're not able to fly. I think that makes sense since we literally have 4 holes inside our wings. Yeah, that makes lots of sense. Yeah, our plane is dead. There's no chance this thing would be living. Okay, let's just fly out and add in more enemy jets. Planes. Why not add in, like, allied fighters so, there's actually something to protect us from the enemy. So I don't have to see my best friends die a horrible death as they crash at Mach 10 while I survive. Because I just don't know. Let's just go to view and object and properties and nah, we don't need those. We just need that. Okay, now just gonna add in the last plane. There we go. Okay. Now what do we do? Now there's basically 4 zeros just scattered around. I don't know what scattered around. So, pretty simple, you ask. Well, since I can't find, the wildcat, so I had to resort to using a crosshair, which is better than nothing, if you ask me. It's better than nothing, right? Like, it's better, okay? At least it's better than not having any fighters protecting you from the Japanese zeros. So let's just put 1 fighter there. And let's just put on properties. Why? I thought it was... And also, every single plane is part of the Devil Cats regiment. Yeah. I just thought their names sounded cool, so I decided to do this. Every single unit here, every single unit in the every single allied unit is a Devil Cat. And you can bully me, because their name sounds cool, okay? Okay! Why are you gonna bomb something? Don't bomb! Oh no, that's just... I was getting confused. It was just... I thought this guy was gonna kamikaze attack, because you can actually kamikaze attack stuff. You can do that by either basically just... You can literally just do that by literally just either choosing target or either just bomb. And the guy with no bombs would either just, I think, fly around it in a circle or either crash, or that's, yeah. So yeah. Now let's see what happens now. Oh gosh, I was so you know what? It's okay. It's okay. We still have like 3 fighter squadrons. It's better than nothing. Okay, baby. Oh jeez. This is probably gonna be the only way I can record my IL Storm of Krav videos. And you're probably having a some people who play this game are probably having a heart attack because I say Stromakov, which is Stromovic. But I say Stromakov because that's how I say it. It's just, yes, there's a Vic at the end of the sentence, but still, it's how I say it, okay? I rather prefer the name to be Stromakov because it sounds cooler and better for me. Not Stromovic. Stromakov will be my original. So as you can see, the entire sky is just filled with bullets and planes and just massive explosions. I think that's like the mountain where the Americans planted that, plane. And also there's like no trees. It's either possibly because the amount of bombing runs we're doing or to prevent lag, which I think that's it. Or, I think it's because I think during the battle of this Iwo Jima, I think it looked like this. I think it didn't, but I'll research that. Correct me in the comments. I think it's it. I think Iwo Jima looked like a wasteland during this battle, or is it Okinawa? I don't remember, but I'll research it. So as you can see, we're doing very fine actually. There's the bombers just ready to drop in the bombs. I haven't been shot. Okay, never mind. That was a joke. I just been shot. And I don't know why am I flying like this. My seemingly look like I oh dear gosh. Come on, the crosshairs are doing something. I thought the crosshairs weren't doing something, but they are actually. I think I shouldn't do that. I think I should not go up because I think it's gonna just crash. Because even though I turned off realistic crashes, I still will explode if I crash with bombs on it, bro. I'm pretty sure this is not good. I am very sure. What are the crosshairs doing? Drinking tea? Well, the British had a big role in the Pacific Front. What are the crosshairs doing? Just eating chicken nuggets? Oh, there they are. They're just crashing and dying after getting shot 700 times by the enemy anti-air. You know what? I'm just gonna drop on a certain location like here because I don't know. I'm pretty sure I don't have to land because I'm pretty sure, like, I am invincible, my dudes. I am invincible. I'm pretty sure I won't get hit by any single round now. I've been hit like once, but still, I'm okay. Come on, someone hit me because I want funny joke. Funny. Okay, there we go. And I didn't meant that. Oh dear. Well, I didn't meant for me to get shot in the arm. I wanted my player to get killed or either one of my parts wounded. But I didn't expect to have my entire plane. But the other part, you want to see the crashes and no one, ejecting the plane. So yeah, I will make a video where I will remaster this. I will make a video of me playing this game again, but ejecting this time. And my plane's alive because the crappy weird graph, the physics. But that's probably not gonna last for long because my plane's probably gonna die now. Coincidentally, my plane's thingy stopped. Now that looks cool. Now let's just eject because you can eject. And yeah. Let's just eject before this thing explodes. Yeah, these guys run. And they're gonna hide in a few minutes. 1, 2, there we go. The other part I didn't establish my front lines. Meaning that there's like a cool feature where they go up, they get their mask on, which is a cool detail, and have their own little numbers for each plane. And also, they also and when the other part I didn't establish a front line. Now when these guys land and they do that, they get arrested, they get captured, but there's no front line, meaning there's literally nah. So that's the end of this video. We just experienced the worst failed aviation. So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this really much. So bye bye and hope you have a bad